Yo, what's good, Gritty Gang? It's Jay Gritty back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys 5 of my favorite items to accessorize and style with to make any outfit look good. So basically, I'm gonna give you a rundown of glasses, hats, jewelry, bags, and belts. Now, as a side note, accessories isn't something that you always need. It's kind of just something to fill in those missing pieces when you have an outfit that goes together well, but you're kind of just missing that one little thing. So everything that I'm gonna explain to you about is basically just putting the cherry on top of a good outfit already. So now, first thing I'm gonna go over is glasses. Now, glasses are very important, especially when you need them. I personally need them, and GlassesUSA was able to get me right with 5 pair of glasses that I'm going to show you guys today. So if you're interested in any of these, definitely make sure you go down and check out the links in the description. Now, first off, GlassesUSA made it super easy to go on their website and select what kind of glasses you want, whether it be designer, everyday, more affordable glasses, or even sunglasses. So basically all you do is go on their website, you choose and pick what style you want. You can even put in a picture of your face so that you can test and see how the glasses will look on you. You then go to put in your prescription so that each pair of glasses that you get will have your specific prescription in the glasses. Now, this was super useful to me because I do wear glasses, like I said, and to have stylish glasses that I can also see out of, whether it be sunglasses or not, it's always a good look. Now, first I'm gonna start off with a pair of glasses that I wear probably most often because they kind of go with everything, but I do have an outfit behind to kind of give you a reference of what I'm talking about. But these are some clear Revel Dan glasses. They have this nice orange accent on the side, and then on the outside of it, it has black. And just clear glasses in general don't cause too much attention to your face, so it kind of gives a nice casual look without screaming that you have glasses on, you know what I'm saying? So this is definitely a nice look. It added like an extra look. I can't really explain it, but you'll see on camera when I have them on and everything, but it kind of just adds like a nice little touch to your outfit. Now, the next pair of glasses that I have are these Anna Cortez black wood glasses. Now, these are a pair of glasses that I wear when I'm going for a nice bold look. Usually when I'm wearing like an all black outfit, I'll throw these on, but overall, like if you're looking for a more framed glass that people can see like, hey, I have glasses on, I'll definitely go with these. The bold look looks really, really clean when you're going for something more casual or more professional. So these are definitely one of those pair that you gotta have. Now, the next pair of glasses that I have are actually sunglasses from Prada. Now, these are super sleek and clean. We all know Prada has that signature red Prada logo on the side, so this one has that on both sides. Nice clean glasses, nice gray color. I believe they also have another colorway of these in like a brownish color, but I just thought these were super clean, especially for sunglasses. And they're Prada prescription glasses, like you can't, right? That's a W. Now, these are more of a sportier type of sunglass where you can kind of throw it on with something more athletic, or if you've seen Prada's gear, they have like that kind of like athletic neon, bright colors, that type of thing. So that's definitely something I would throw on when I'm wearing these. Now, the next pair that I have are these Muse clear blue glasses. Now, these are kind of similar to that effect of the first pair that I showed that has that clear frame, but these are more like a sunglass and they have blue frames in them, which are also prescription. Like, I keep saying prescription because like I just love the fact that you can purchase these glasses and see out of them. Like, usually when you get sunglasses, they're just the blank sunglass, and you know what I'm saying, you kind of have to wear contacts or something, but these are super, super clean. It has like a slight tint of blue where it's not like too over the top, but overall, man, it's super, super clean. Now, the last pair of glasses that I'm gonna show off are these Atato Rosine in these dark brown colorway. Now, these are more of like a higher fashion looking sunglass, big frame, nice square shape, and on the top you kind of have like this nice bridge across it. So these are super dope, especially when you're wearing something all brown. Like, I definitely go with an all brown outfit with this just because it will give it like that nice look. But they do fade from like a darker color to a lighter color from the top to the bottom of the frame, which I think is a very nice touch. But overall, they look very, very expensive and they just look classy, like super, super classy. So that is it for the glasses. Now, like I said before, all these glasses came from GlassesUSA.com. You can add any type of prescription to almost any pair of frames, including sunglasses. And a complete pair of glasses starts at only $30. Free basic prescription lenses are included with every frame. Now, moving on to hats. Hats is something that I didn't used to wear that much, but recently I kind of found like a thing for them, and I've been wearing them ever since. Now that I know like how to throw my hair back and make them look cooler, you know what I'm saying? So right here I got this Altamont hat. It can be confused with the Atlanta Braves hat, but it's not. It's Altamont, it's like a skate brand. Now these flat brim hats are coming more into style lately. I've seen it on a lot of like rappers, and just people are bringing back that old like 90s aesthetic. And I put this hat specifically with this Tommy Hilfiger sweater that I have, and I just think overall the colors were perfect. I put it with a pair of raw denim jeans, and I think overall with the jeans being like that loose straight fit, I think it gives like a super throwback look to it. So now another type of hat that I wear often is beanies. Beanies is something that is super cozy, especially for that fall winter time of the year. But I just think overall they give a nice touch, especially because you can have a lot of crazy all over prints when it comes to beanies, or you could be super simple and wear an all plain color hat. So this is definitely a cool look to give an accent onto the colors of your outfit. Now this next category, which I think is my personal favorite, is jewelry. Now obviously you have a lot of different ranges of jewelry that you can style. You have like watches, rings, and you have necklaces. I'm gonna get more into necklaces because I think this is something that a lot of people tend to mess up when they're going to style their outfit, just because they'll either just overdo it or they'll pick the wrong type of jewelry. Now the way I go about styling chains is I look at the neck of the item that I'm wearing, whether it be a hoodie, sweater, turtleneck, or whatever it may be. I look at that and I try to fill in what I think is missing personally. Now to give you a reference of what I'm talking about, say for example I have a t-shirt. T-shirts are something that I like to wear lighter jewelry or shorter jewelry with, just because I want to match the look of a t-shirt. If I'm wearing just the t-shirt, that's where I want to like do lighter jewelry. Now when I'm wearing something like a wider neck shirt or sweater, like I have for example right here, that's when I wear more chains and kind of stack them up, or even wear like a thicker choker, so it's not so much neck exposure. You kind of have something to look at. Hoodies is when I wear my longer chains, my chains with pendants, so that they'll stick out a little bit more, because a hoodie is really up close to your chin, or like covers your neck up a lot, so you really want a chain that will hang over. Now something that I stay away from wearing chains with is turtlenecks. Turtlenecks, you have everything there already that you need. You don't want to over accessorize it with putting too much jewelry. If I do wear a piece of jewelry, it would just be one piece with that. It's just something that complements it. So just keeping it super light, if that, when I'm wearing turtlenecks. Now rings is something that people wear a lot, especially now recently. You have people wearing rings on like almost every finger. And I just think rings are something that you can't really go wrong with, even if you're wearing a lot of them, just because it's not always in sight. But you can pick and choose when you want to wear them. If I'm wearing more of a formal outfit, I'm not going to wear a lot of rings. I would just wear like maybe one or two, or maybe my ring finger, middle finger, or like your pinky or something. And if you're wearing like one of those rock star kind of edgier outfits, that's when I wear like all the rings, just so it gives an edgier look. Now for the next category, I got bags. Bags is something that I don't always wear too often, but I do have a couple of different bags that I like to wear. Like I have the 51% one that you guys probably seen a lot. I don't usually wear too many like waist bags like that, but there are some different stuff that you can go along with. I will show an example of me, and then I also put along some pictures that I think just look really well, or outfits that I think look really well with bags. Last category, we got belts. Now belts can add a flair to your outfit depending on how you wear them, and if you have your shirt tucked in. Typically you want to have your shirt tucked in so the belt can show, but overall I think that they just add a nice look. Some popular ones, you have like the BB belts, and you have the Elite belts, which are super popular right now. There aren't too many other belts that I see consistently, but there are definitely some more futuristic looking belts. Like you have the Helmut Lang one, and you have some belts from what's the brand? I forget the brand name off top, but I'll put it up here. But yeah, those are some belts that are belts that you want to buy to stand out. So that's pretty much it for the video. Like I said before, links to all the GlassesUSA.com things will be down in the description. If you like this video, definitely make sure you go down and hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and also leave a comment telling me how you wear different accessories and things like that. So, like always, I appreciate you guys for watching the videos. I'll be back to you guys with more. Peace.